Hi family, now we're at some beautiful cherry trees. These cherries, we call them Bajan cherries. Obviously they grow all throughout the whole Caribbean. But these cherries are a good and amazing source of vitamin C. The second highest source in the world. And you know these because in North America, they call them acerola berries. Okay, but what I was about to say is that berries in the herbal books, berries were used at this time of the year, especially in the spring and in the fall, to inoculate you and build up your immune system to keep you strong. So, eating at least 3 cherries every day would be really, really good for your vitamin C levels to fight off any pathogens that are coming your way. Thank you. All right, so now this is our black sage. This is what we call Pride of Barbados, and all 3 colors are here for you to see: red, orangey yellow, and yellow. You cannot buy a better spot to stand up in. But you see this? This is one of my favorite secret weapons. This black sage is extremely good for your gut bacteria. Okay, this is something that we use to help our gut bacteria. And I like to put it in my formulation, especially in anything to do with the gut, anything to do with your gut. Okay? Thank you.